This is the Sunjoe SPX 3001 pressure washer. It's a customizable machine that can tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With its powerful motor, it can generate up to 2030 psi and blast away dirt and debris in minutes. Just aim it, spray it, and grime is gone. Patios, driveways, and any brick pavement takes a beating over the years. You keep the floors of your house clean, so why not keep your outdoor surfaces clean from the mildew, grime, dirt, and stains that build? You can use the Pressure Joe to return your pavement to its former glory and increase your curb appeal. And when your beautiful deck gets green or dark colored, you can bring it back to life with the Pressure Joe. With our extra large onboard detergent tank, you can use any one of our additional soaps for added cleaning and adjust the amount with the detergent dial. And you can add the power scrubbing broom attachment as an added tool to scrub away any dirt or debris. Seriously, the curb appeal on your house after you use the Pressure Joe will be amazing. You'll want to show it off and invite everyone over. And not only can the Pressure Joe reach down low, it can reach high too. The 34-inch extension wand makes cleaning windows, siding, and gutters a breeze. Just connect one of our 5 quick spray connection tips. 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and our soap spray tip. And then point, squeeze the trigger, and all that dirt and grime comes right off. And when you have everyone over, you'll want to make sure that you have nice clean lawn furniture for them to relax on. The Pressure Joe can take care of that too. Think of how much dirt, mud, and rust gets into your chairs and tables that are outside full time. And for that extra stubborn dirt and grime, you can even add the rotary wash brush. So it doesn't matter how big or small the chore, you can cross off all your cleaning tasks with the Sunjoe SPX 3001 pressure washer.